Okay, so your air conditioning's on. It's set and turned down to as cold as possible. Yeah, it's blowing at 26.5 degrees centigrade and it's only 21 outside. What do? You fix it yourself for around £25. There's an option of two different cans. One's air conditioning gas, is the blue one, and today we'll be using this green one, which is stop leak. My system itself has a sticky little valve, so I use this stuff and it frees the valve off. They cost about £15 a can and about £8 for this connector with the two valves at each end. And it comes with a lovely, easy to read gauge. I connect the can up first, but I don't bust the seal, so just screw it on. And that silver bit at the top is what will bust the seal, but we don't need to yet. Take it out to the car, connect it up to the low pressure side. It will only fit one side, which is the low pressure side. And it's reading at the bottom of the blue range. So now it's time to bust that seal on the can just by turning this down all the way and turn the can upside down and watch the gauge go up as I return the valve backwards. There, now it's sitting up the top of the blue level, which is lovely, just where we want it. Now we just have to remove this from the valve and screw the cover back on because we don't want any dust getting in there. And now we can see, instead of blowing at 26.5 degrees, it's blowing at 4.9 and it's going to drop to 3.8. Fantastic. Right, just go back and check the gauge. There it is. Disconnect this from the car again, screw your cap back on. Throw this in your boot, leave the can connected. In a couple of weeks, come back, connect it back up and check it's still on around 40 or whatever your gauge said. Then you know all leaks are cured. Please follow all instructions on the cans. This is just a demonstration.